many of them giving some pretty heavy rain. And that's only half the story. At the moment we have westerly winds, quite strong winds across the country, but out to the west there's a new area of low pressure that has its name on it. It's going to come in close to the British Isles, and it really is going to upset the weather for the latter part of the week and through the weekend, staying more or less on top of us, keeping showers and longer outbreaks of rain going as various weather systems such as that one there swing around it. Now, across on the continent, it's been pretty wet too. Germany yesterday had all the rain that we had earlier on in the day. It moved across and gave 21 millimetres there in just 12 hours. But at the same time, it was very warm. In Munich, the temperature soared to 28 degrees, and it was a pretty sticky night last night too, only down to 19 degrees in Dresden. But like here, it is going to change, and we are seeing some cooler weather moving across many parts of Europe, and rather unsettled too, especially in the north and in the west. It looks as if eastern areas of the Mediterranean will hold on to some fine weather, so Athens for that match at the weekend I think should be bright and a lot warmer and drier than closer to home. And indeed, let's have a look at the situation closer to home. Lots of isobars running in from the west. It started off reasonably clear in eastern areas, but the cloud's been moving across, bubbling up all the while, so it is getting cloudier and cloudier in the east of the country, but that's where the cloud is going to stay more broken. That's the best chance of any sunshine, and already you can see here on the radar picture there are a fair number of showers in the west. One or two of them are beginning to turn quite heavy too. So more or less an east-west split. In other words, the western slice of the country, sunshine and blustery showers, some of them heavy with thunder. Showers developing in the more eastern areas as well, but they should be relatively scattered and somewhat lighter as well, but not guaranteed to stay dry. Nevertheless, a little bit of shelter in the sunshine, out of the wind, feeling reasonably warm, 18 or 19 degrees, but certainly cool in the northwest, where actually those showers may well gang up and some more general cloud and outbreaks of rain coming along. Now, during this evening, the showers will die back to coast. They're going to stay around the coast for much of the night, some feeding along the south coast as well as into western coast, and a chillier night than we've had, 8 or 9 degrees too. A little bit of a brief ridge of high pressure tomorrow, so somewhat quieter day, very few showers in eastern areas. The ones in the west, lighter and more scattered, but rain coming in before the day's out. And then it looks as if as we head towards the weekend, that weather system will come across. It's going to take rain across many parts of the country on Friday, followed in turn by really strong winds, and over the weekend it's a case of blustery showers and longer periods of rain and a cool, windy one.